Hey, let's look at this. What's this I got? Rattle that says Aquadelia, Aquabug. Well, I don't know exactly what all these things are. Let's just see what we've got. We've got plastic parts, we got metal parts, we've got rubber parts, and this looks like it may be the engine. It's made of metal. It's a steam engine. It runs off steam. Water's heated up and it turns into steam, and it goes out through these low-running pipes to propel the boat forward. That's how it works. Here's a close-up look at the boiler and all. See the little black tubes? That's how it propels the boat. This plastic donut acts like the hull of the boat, but you gotta have fire in the boiler, and that's where this candle comes in. Yep, we install the candle like this, and then you see how the lever allows you to access to light it, and then it all fits on the plastic donut, which acts like the hull. And we'll add this non-essential piece of equipment before sea trials.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. A thumbs up helps my channel grow too. Other videos are available, as you can check out my playlist as well as what's coming up next.